Hi guys, I'm Isa. Today we're going to learn how to make a spiral effect using Python. Alright, so the library that we're going to be using to make the spiral effect is called Tkinter or Tkinter or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to import that. And we're also going to import the mask library. It might not be obvious what we need right now, but we're going to see later. So I'm going to say screen is equal to turtle.screen. It's capital letters. I'm going to say screen.setup. So let's see the width and height. 800, 600. Now let me save the file. Let's open up the terminal. So I'm going to run the file. It says turtle's not defined. Oh yeah, the library we're using is turtle, not Tkinter. My bad. Anyways, so now close that window, then just instantly closed. So I'm gonna write turtle.done here. So like after making the window, it's done. So that the window's gonna stay there. I'm gonna say screen.bg color black. So I'll show you my terminal. So now it has a black background color. Anyways, now let's do the actual thing. So pattern is equal to turtle.turtle. So yeah, the pattern thing right now it's just this weird shape that doesn't even show on the screen because it's black. The background color is covered in black. Say pattern.color. Let's just have a temporary color like. Oh yeah, there's so this thing trinket.io/doc/colors. It contains all the colors that you can use using turtle. So the way we're gonna be using them is just gonna click on the color and copy this turtle name. Oh yeah, it also has a CSS name in case you want to use it or something. So yeah, it's pretty useful. Anyways, so we don't need this now. We can just write pattern.color red to make sure that it's there. So yeah, it is there. Alright, so I'm gonna remove the pattern of the color red. I'm gonna make a list called colors. So the color is equal to I'm gonna add red, comma orange, comma yellow, comma green. Yeah, that's it. And so I'm gonna say for I in range, let's say 10. So I'm gonna say turtle.forward. Whoops, I mean pattern. Pattern is the turtle we're dealing with. Dot forward. Let's see. How much? 10. Probably. Actually, I'm gonna. Never mind. Pattern.forward 1. You can just go at pattern.speed 20. Well, you still can't see it because, yeah. Because we haven't wrinkled the colors yet. I'm gonna say pattern.pen color I modulus length of colors. So modulus, well, it's just like modulus and math. If you don't know how that works, then know how it works. So back color argument 0. Red or gel green. Pattern dot color. Alright, so I was meant to write colors, and this is the list. Look at these brackets, then the islands colors. So I'm gonna turn this back into pen color. So as you can see, I changed to orange. I don't really know why. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10's obviously orange. Let's like pattern down forward 10 and see what that'll do. Oh yeah. As you can see, it goes forward by 10 steps, even though it's a bit, you know, slow. To pattern out speed. Yeah, that's not working. For the pattern we're making, we're gonna have to make it to go forward I steps. And then pattern dot left. It's gonna turn left by 90 degrees. Well, but there's a catch. We can't just turn it by 90 degrees. If we just turn it by 90 degrees, just gonna create a square. Let me just increase this to demonstrate. If we only turn it 90 degrees, it's gonna make a square, which I mean some of you might want, but I don't. So I'm gonna add 91 degrees. So now it's not gonna be a square, it's gonna be a square that slightly rotates every time. Alright, so now we're kind of done. But we're also not done because of colors. Let's add more colors. Right, so red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Let's see. Purple, black. Yeah, that's it. So now we have many colors. Even though now that we've added more than 4 colors, the square has 4 sides. It looks kind of ugly now. Oh yeah, also the amount of squares you want to make just has 4 multiplied by just the amount of squares you want to make. So square amount. If I said it's an 8 or something, so here's going to be 4 times square amount. It's going to make a square around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to make 7.5 squares. So let's make the square amount to, I don't know, 100 or something. 4 times 100, 400, problem solved. Anyways, so now let's do a little bit of something with the colors. Okay, so here we're going to write I divided by 4, like colors, which is obviously not going to slow. It has to be an integer. We're gonna say mass dot ceiling. So yeah, now as you can see, one square has one color, the other square has the other color. So yeah, that's basically it. We've completed our very square pattern. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.